Hey guys, a good afternoon to you all. So today we're making some rice with dal, like vegetarian dish. Rice. Here's our dal. We're cooking some dal. It's brand new. We're just cooking it, starting to cook it now. With this, we're making some potato choka, some fried spinach or bhaji, and also some fried okra, all vegetarian dishes. But we'll show you step by step how each one is done. So stay tuned.
Yeah, so we put the dal to boil. We're gonna show you guys what we're gonna add in there and how you cook dal, Caribbean style, Asian style. Yep. And how you make your potato choka also. We're gonna be back.
Alright guys, so our dal has been boiling now for a few minutes. We're gonna add one of this pepper, whole pepper. We're gonna add a little bit of turmeric, maybe a little teeny bit more. And I usually put curry powder in my dal. I know a lot of people don't, but I put curry powder. Some people just use turmeric. I'll add some garlic. It's gonna boil and melt. And some onions. Let all that boil.
Half of an onion.
Half of an onion.
A medium-sized onion.
We're making.
You can add onion, or you don't have to.
Yeah. Some things are optional. Some things are absolute. Like you have to put in garlic in dal. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more of crushed pepper because we really like everything spicy here. Yep, and we're gonna let that boil.
For a good 15-20 minutes and see if the dal is gonna boil.
Yep.
Otherwise, then we're gonna have to add water.
Yep.
And boil it a little bit more. And look at all that goodness in that dal.
Yep, so that's gonna cook up. That's our potato for potato choka.
Yep.
Yep. So there you go. We'll be back to show you guys. Alright, so here's our dal. It's been boiling for about 20 minutes.
And we use this mechanism here. When I came to the States, this is one of them that we have that I use. And traditionally in South America, Guyana, the Caribbean, they use this here.
It's called dal gutni.
And they do it something like this here. Like when you're trying to start a fire in the wilderness. Okay?
Yeah.
Bushcraft kind of style. And that pepper is pretty hot, so you just pong it like that, mashed up that dal in there. I still gotta boil some more.
Yeah. We may have to add some water later on. Make sure all the dal is boiled. Dal, otherwise known as split peas.
And we're gonna chunk it.
And chunk it with garlic and jeera, otherwise known as cumin seeds.
Yeah. And you guys gonna see what chunky is.
Yeah, we're gonna show you the chunky process. If you're Guyanese, you know what the chunky process consists of.
So guys,
So here's our dal. It's still cooking,
and
melting.
it melts so good. Look at this dal. It's really, really good.
We haven't chunked it yet. We just want to add spinach.
Yeah, we're gonna show you guys how we chunk it. And I love spinach in my dal. And some people put okra inside too. I love okra, but it's an additional thing.
It's all optional.
Yeah. You don't even have to put the spinach inside. So I'm just trying to scrape out the edges here. And we're gonna chunk it and be back in a few. And look at that pepper.
Alright guys, so here's our hot oil. We're adding
a little bit more. It's your choice, preference, whatever you want to do. So now I'll throw this inside here. This is the dangerous part. So make sure you be careful. This is hot oil.